Hello, welcome back to part 3. Now, £15 bag. Try and do the rest of this bag in this one. Something big in there. And lots of little bits as well. Pull out. Yeah. Okay, so we got a love heart box with a little ring in it. I actually had a load of these in a job lot. They had 925 written on them, but they weren't. This doesn't even have that on it, but that's a nice sparkly ring that'll go in a job lot, and that's a bit busted, so that can go. Glass earrings and necklace set. That's not broken. That can go in my glass lot. Butterfly brooch. It's quite nice, silver and gold tone. Can I just break you off? Yeah. That's not signed or anything. That's nice enough. That can go in a job lot. Put the baggies over to the side. Packets and baggies, and we'll come back to them. Come back to you, and you, and you, and you can go in the bin, and you. And then we've got all of these little bits and pieces here. Love you, a special gift. Is that a ring? Ring with little baubles. I suppose so. It's a big one. Maybe a fun ring for people that have. Oh, it actually fits mine. Doesn't look like it's made from. No, it's not silver or anything. That can just go in a rings lot. Box can go in. Pair of earrings from George. George for good. What does that mean? Over £3. We're going there. Wallace earrings. Real shell. Ooh. €16. Oh, blimey. Going job lot. Oh, this is like artwork by Jacqueline Colley. That's, I was going to say, like an artist has had their own pins made. That's nice. That'll go in a pins lot. Broken rubber bracelet. That's really brutal, isn't it? Imagine conking someone with that. It looks silver plated. I don't think it's anything other than. No, it's wearing, isn't it? But that'll go in the job lot. Big brooch, has all its stones. It is working. Not signed. That'll go in a job lot. Blackpool. Is this a penknife? Bottle opener and flatted. And a little knife. That's cute. That would have been a key ring. That's a vintage one as well. I don't know if I could sell that in a job lot. Who knows? We'll try, maybe. A little moped. Cufflink, not signed. Little crystal vintage clip-on. Might be plastic. It's glass. 9 carat gold. Where's the 9 carat gold? Come on. Clip on. One of those double rings. Looks a bit grotty, but no, I'll put that in broken. Oh, we've had that earring. Did I keep it in my nice earrings? No, I didn't. Why would I do such a thing? Now I've put it in the like massive bag of odd earrings. I'm sure I'll find it one day. That's a nice earring, Bollywood style. And odd earrings, cufflink. It's a long dangly one. It's a bracelet. I think that's plastic. Earring, button. I had a big one of those. Look. What is that? Strange. I've not seen anything like that before. Does that go on a scarf or a tie or? I don't know. Unusual. That's something to possibly look up. Maybe. Little charm. One of those magnetic bracelets, but some magnets are missing. There's no stones missing. Put that in broken. Pierre Cardin bracelet. That'll go in a little lot of those types. An earring. Earring. It's a nice colour. Earring. Earring. I think that's plastic made to look like sea glass. Earring. It's a pair of sparklies. I like how the sparkles on the inside of that. They'd have been nice if they were silver. I used to love buying square or rectangle earrings when I was younger. I had some gold and white gold ones. Ring. Little pair of earrings. Glass, possibly stone. Maybe a quartz. They're like a peachy colour. I don't know. I'll put them in my gemstone things to learn. Button. What's that? A tea bag. Tea bag charm. That is so weird. It's Great Ormond Street Hospital, isn't it? Pin. That's a sparkly one. It's got all its bits. It is a costume. Ah, I think I had the other one of this from somewhere. 925. We'll test that. And I'll see if I can find the other one. A broken cufflink. Earring. Little sparkly ring. I'm sure there's been loads of these. Little dangly earring. Bicycle with love hearts. Stud. Looks like quite an old one. Not signed or anything. Stud. Another stud. Another stud. And I believe that's all broken. So I can go in there. Let's just move that over to the side. Baggy time. We've got a necklace that is broken, so that can go in broken. Got a pair of earrings here. They say 95 on the hooks, but I wonder. That's definitely not, surely. What's that on the end? I don't believe they are, but we'll check the hooks anyway. these ones. Just a pair, they're nice and sparkly. What are you caught up on? I'll leave you caught up and then you can stay together. Fashion jewellery. I'll keep that together. Some people like these sets, don't they? I can go in a job lot. Let's get rid of these. That looks like an old brooch. They wanted £3 for it. So it works alright. It's like cat's eye glass and rhinestones. Quite nice. I'll probably go in a job lot, but I'll put it to the side anyway. This one. We've got a little heart ring. It's probably like a kid's one. I heart Ibiza forever. Kids. Shambhala type. Looks like an off-white, so that'll go in craft. What's that little? Look like they're supposed to be bells. Go in bangles. That's a small one, so broken. Oh, little owls. That's quite pretty. I think that can go in kids. It's a nice sparkly one. Got all its bits. Yep, that can go in there. Little flower beads. That can go in kids. That's broken, so that can go in broken. Faux pearl. Kids ring. And this one says Disney. Is that Cinderella? Mouse, the shoe. Why would there be a pumpkin on there? I don't know. I'm going a little Disney lot anyway. Bangle, little one's broken. And that could be broken as well. Next up we have another baggie. Oh shoot, I shouldn't have done that, should I? Broken pearls. Oh, I should have read it. These are all broken. We'll just check the clasps, see if they've got any precious metals. No, I don't think so. I might try and put that back in the bag. Yeah. The rest can just go in broken. I'll then do that up and that can go in with the faux pearls. And this last one is 3 pairs of earrings. Might as well just do them up properly and let them stay on there. And then they can go in paired earrings and precious metals. That's nice and sparkly though. Yep, that can go in paired earrings. Get rid of that. So did we have any pairs? I don't think so. There will be loads of pairs, but I just don't know if I can go for a massive bag of odd earrings from all the ones that, all these littles bags. There's just so many. So we just got to try this one. I think that is, and the hooks on these. There's a bit of paper on the end there, I think. No, definitely not. So that'll go in paired earrings. I believe that one is, and I believe I should have the other one somewhere. Yeah, that is. Did I have the other one to that, or am I thinking of this one from this bag? I don't know. Let me have a look. One sec. Here's my tested that I haven't sorted through yet. Is it here? Might not be actually. Might have been dreaming. No, I must have been dreaming. Must have. Can't, must have thought it was this one. Never mind. Anyway, so from this bag we have got so we have got a ring, a pendant, some scraps, earrings. This to look up, Tous Amours. I think that's just French for like love you or something, but we'll look that up. This thing that I've never seen one like it before. That to go in with a little lot, and this lovely little bird ring. Nothing for selling separately really, but you don't really get that with littles. All of this is for job lots out of one bag. Not a lot of broken. There was only that much broken, so not too sad. For £15, I'm very happy. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye bye.